Hello Tech Trends friends, it's summer and with the hot temperatures I wanted to test how the Google Pixel 7a, where there was a lot of talk about the heat development, performs. I took the iPhone 14 Pro as a comparison and started a 4K video recording for 10 minutes. As you can see, we have a room temperature of over 30 degrees and I think it's a realistic situation as it happens in summer. Now we have the Pixel 7a on the left side and the iPhone on the right side, and I will measure the temperatures every minute. After just a minute, a problem reveals itself to us, which we will have all the time. The iPhone warms up quicker, but the Pixel 7a immediately gives a message after a minute that the phone is getting too hot and video recording is affected. The temperature difference is not that big yet. I will speed up the video again so we can see how it goes on. After 2 minutes we have about a difference of 2 degrees. After 3 minutes the Pixel 7a is at almost 38 degrees and the iPhone at 42. The iPhone is getting warmer, we are moving towards 43 degrees. Halftime. While the iPhone is at 43 degrees, the Pixel 7a is not even at 40 degrees. Nevertheless, the iPhone does not complain, and with the Pixel we currently don't know whether the quality of the recording was reduced or whether it might stop recording. After 8 minutes, the Pixel is at 41 degrees and the iPhone at almost 46 degrees. The iPhone is already significantly warm and the heat doesn't seem to affect the device. After 10 minutes, the iPhone is at 47 degrees and the Pixel at 42, so we have a difference of about 5 degrees. What I noticed afterwards is that on the iPhone you can play the file directly, edit or delete it without any problems, without delay. With the Pixel on the other hand you notice loading times. This means that the iPhone doesn't have any problems with the temperature, while the Pixel doesn't seem to be able to conduct the heat to the outside. At least that's my guess. Here I show you how I delete the video I just recorded on the iPhone. The iPhone has no problems with it and doesn't show any other abnormalities either. I will now show how long it takes to delete the recorded video. It's amazing how many problems the Pixel has in warm temperatures. Of course, this is an exceptional situation that doesn't happen very often, but it also clearly shows that the Tensor chip hasn't quite reached a flagship level yet. I hope you enjoyed the video, give it a like, leave a subscription. Until the next video, have a good time.